Hello and welcome to Making Joyful Noise, brought to you by St. Paul Lutheran Church in beautiful downtown Sarasota, Florida. My name is John Ferreira. I am the Director of Music Ministries and organist at the church. On Sunday, May 16th, we're going to hear one of our very own church members, Martha Hildred, play the viola. And the song that she's going to be playing is based on a hymn, Be Thou My Vision. Now that just happens to be one of my three all-time favorite hymns. Number one to me is Amazing Grace. Number two to me is a rousing chorus of Ode to Joy. And number three is the prayer of Be Thou My Vision. Now I say prayer because let's look at the words of what I'm talking about. We're not talking about the first verse. Though if we did talk about the first verse, I would change the word vision to focus. But you'll see why when I read the third verse to you. In our hymnal, the third verse reads this way: Riches I heed not, nor vain empty praise. Thou mine inheritance now and always. Thou and thou only, the first in my heart. Great God of heaven, my treasure thou art. I think church musicians should be required to learn that particular verse. That's a tremendously wealthy verse. We as church musicians have studied how to play Bach on little organs, on big organs, upside down, forwards, backwards. But why do we do that? We do it, hopefully, to honor Christ, not to honor ourselves. I have a recording of this that I absolutely love. I'm going to play only verse 2 for you. Riches I heed not.
Riches I heed not, nor man's empty gain. Thou mine inheritance now.
The next time we have Be Thou My Vision has a hymn, be sure to look at that verse, which is the third verse in our hymnal, first. Thank you very much for listening. Tune in on Sunday morning at 9:30 a.m. on Facebook, or come live to St. Paul Lutheran Church in beautiful downtown Sarasota, Florida. Thanks for listening.